Hi! So now we will learn how to solve the white corners. You have already mastered how to create the white cross, with the side colors matching the center colors. Now we will learn how to fill all the white corners, with all the correct pieces. Here we have a white corner already in place, but the side colors don't match the corresponding center colors, so we leave this for now. So we then rotate the whole cube 180 degrees, and we are looking for any white pieces on any of the side faces. Here we have a white face on one side and a green on the other side. So we rotate this piece to where our green side matches up to the green center piece. And because our white face is facing the left-hand side, we perform the left-hand algorithm. Left column up, top row anti-clockwise, left column down, top row clockwise. And this magic algorithm places the white corner in its correct place, with all side colors matching the corresponding center pieces. Next we have a white, blue, and red corner with the white face on one side, and blue on the other. So we match our blue side to the blue center, and now the white face is on the right side. So we perform the right-hand algorithm. Right column up, top row clockwise, right column down, top row anti-clockwise. And this places our piece in the correct corner, with the colors matching the centers. Next is the white, orange, and blue corner, and the orange-colored side already aligned with the orange center. The white surface is on the right-hand side, so we perform the right-hand algorithm, and this places our corner in the correct position. The last corner is orange, with white and green sides. So again, if we align the green side with the green center, this leaves the white face on your right-hand side, meaning we need to perform the right-hand algorithm one more time. Flip over the cube 180 degrees to reveal a completed white surface and first row, with correct matching center pieces. Well done! However, if you find a white color on the top surface like this requires you to position the white on the top row over the bottom corner you wish to swap out. With your right hand, turn the right column up one turn. Left hand turn the top row clockwise. Right column down one turn. Then left hand bring the top row around clockwise. So the white is on the side now, and the colored side matches the center color. Then perform the right hand algorithm. Practice these moves until you have mastered them. Then you will be ready to solve the second row. Well done if you have got this far. You are halfway to solving the Rubik's Cube. Please like and subscribe to follow the last steps.